Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to adjust brightness in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your settings and search for brightness. Here you can see change brightness level. Click on it. Now you can see here brightness. Here you can adjust your brightness level. If you want low brightness, then drag this button left side, and if you want high brightness, then drag this button right side. If you want to adjust your brightness from your keyboard, then click on F2 for low brightness and click on F3 for high brightness. That's it. So this is how you can adjust your brightness in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.